At first glance, this looks like just another day at a heavy industrial site. It isn't. What you're about to witness happens every day in the deepest corners of the Earth. But almost nobody talks about it. The raw, physical dominance of these structures completely shatters any ordinary expectation of engineering, as everything here operates on a level few industries ever dare to reach. Some machines move Earth. These mechanical titans rewrite the rules of geography, moving thousands of tons every single hour. Behind the blinding dust and raw steel is a story of human grit, precise engineering, and a constant pursuit of greater efficiency. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the industry's most demanding operations, stepping beyond the surface to see how engineering meets human expertise. From the first cut on a jagged mountainside to the ultimate mechanical titan dominating the pit floor, let's explore what it takes to keep these industrial giants moving at full capacity. Some mining operations require moving enormous volumes of material every day to prepare, expand, or reclaim large-scale excavation sites before the heavy digging can even begin. To meet that challenge on the most unforgiving terrain, engineers developed the Komatsu D375A bulldozer, an industrial powerhouse built to withstand extreme mechanical stress. Powered by a massive diesel engine producing more than 600 horsepower, this heavy-duty tracked giant combines exceptional traction and pure pushing force to tackle solid earth directly. It utilizes a heavy-duty single-shank rear ripper to fracture hard, compacted volcanic rock before pushing the loosened material down steep slopes near Lake Overburden in Iceland. As the massive blade cuts into the terrain, the ground seems to vibrate beneath its tracks, accompanied by the deep metallic roar of hundreds of tons of steel in motion. Machines like the D375A remain essential for modern earth-moving projects, directly altering landscapes to expose valuable resources hidden beneath the surface. Yet some mining environments demand even more agile equipment to handle material rapidly between tight extraction zones and active processing facilities. At Sand Valley Quarry, the arrival of the new CAT 986K wheel loader marks a significant boost in material handling capability. Weighing approximately 100,000 pounds and powered by a 462 horsepower engine producing an impressive 1,778 pound-feet of torque, this machine is purpose-built for demanding quarry operations. Whether loading crushed stone, sand, gravel, or overburden, the 986K moves vast quantities of material with remarkable efficiency. Its massive bucket and powerful drivetrain allow it to travel confidently across rough quarry terrain while maintaining the steady production rates required to keep processing plants supplied around the clock. While bulk mining operations focus on moving fragmented rock as fast as possible, certain precious materials require an entirely different level of precision and operator expertise. As the first light of day reaches one of Europe's largest active marble quarries, the CAT 988B wheel loader begins another demanding shift at the heart of the operation. Renowned for its durability and dependable performance in quarry environments, this 50-ton machine expertly handles massive marble blocks freshly extracted from the quarry face. With steady precision, the operator maneuvers the loader across uneven ground, carefully lifting multi-ton stone blocks and placing them onto waiting Mercedes and MAN transport trucks. Every movement requires skill and accuracy, as each block represents valuable natural stone destined for cutting, processing, and polishing facilities nearby. Unlike bulk mining operations that move fragmented rock, marble quarrying demands exceptional care to preserve the integrity of each block. The Kiat 988B serves as the crucial link between extraction and processing, maintaining a continuous flow of material while handling some of the quarry's most valuable products. But what happens when operators need to move even more material in less time, scaling up raw digging forces to match the insatiable appetite of massive industrial operations? Some mining operations require moving enormous volumes of material directly from the rock pile into a highly synchronized transportation chain that never stops. Developed to maximize cycle times and eliminate loading delays, the Caterpillar 6015 hydraulic excavator operates at peak capacity alongside a pair of Cat 777G haul trucks. This engineering marvel relies on a heavy-duty hydraulic digging system backed by an engine pushing hundreds of horsepower to achieve incredible breakout forces. The excavator fills each 100-ton truck with remarkable speed and precision, utilizing a tag team method where one truck receives material while the second waits nearby. The story does not end at the loading zone. Once filled, the Cat 777G trucks haul their heavy payloads across the quarry before tipping directly into the primary crusher, where massive chunks of blasted rock are broken down into smaller, manageable sizes. While this machine relies on high-speed hydraulic cycles, the next giant takes on the raw, abrasive challenge of dense limestone faces using a robust front shovel configuration. When an environment is dominated by blasted limestone and dense piles of heavy stone scattered across the quarry floor, conventional excavators quickly meet their mechanical limits. Built for the most demanding extraction faces, the Liebherr R 9150 face shovel was designed to work continuously through dense, unforgiving piles of broken stone. This mechanical titan operates with an immense diesel engine pushing 757 horsepower, boasting an operating weight of nearly 150 tons to deliver relentless digging muscle. With its robust front shovel attachment, the machine penetrates the rock pile, gathers several tons of material in each pass, and efficiently loads waiting haul trucks positioned alongside the bench. Machines like the R9150 are essential for modern mining operations around the world, converting seemingly immovable rock masses into a continuous stream of raw materials. The next machine reveals just how diverse modern mining equipment has become, shifting our journey to an environment where traditional face shovels cannot operate. Recovering valuable sand, gravel, and sediment from water-covered excavation areas requires specialized reach that traditional loading equipment simply cannot provide. Developed to solve wet ground extraction challenges, the Liebherr HS 895 duty cycle crane operates in a dragline configuration along the shoreline of deep quarry lakes. This 200-ton machine combines powerful internal winches, exceptional structural stability, and precise electronic controls to maintain high productivity in deep water. Equipped with a cable-operated drag bucket and a long lattice boom, it methodically pulls material from submerged sections and deposits it onto nearby stockpiles for further processing. It occupies a specialized work area along the lake edge, creating a distinct industrial presence that stands apart from standard hard rock equipment. Working at full capacity, the HS 895 creates a continuous flow of aggregate, helping maintain production while maximizing the usable resource within the quarry. But even this 200-ton giant appears completely microscopic when compared to the absolute colossi built to uncover the deepest energy reserves on Earth. In large-scale surface coal mining, removing monumental volumes of deep overburden is the only way to expose the valuable energy reserves hidden far beneath the surface. Built to move mountains one bucket at a time, the Marion M8200 Dragline represents the absolute pinnacle of giant cable-operated earth-moving engineering. This mechanical colossus weighs an astonishing 4,300 tons, or 8.6 million pounds, and relies on a complex network of high-strength steel cables suspended from an enormous boom. Its massive bucket sweeps across the ground, collecting enough rock and soil to fill an entire family house before swinging and depositing the material far from the excavation area. Its slow, deliberate movements may appear effortless, but every swing relocates thousands of tons of earth, causing a subtle vibration to echo across the mine floor. Operating at full capacity around the clock, this giant eliminates extra handling steps entirely, demonstrating unmatched mechanical scale and endurance. Everything we've seen so far has been impressive, yet none of it works quite like this. The machines before focused on moving material in flexible cycles. This one transforms the entire process, operating more like a mobile industrial facility than a single machine. The P&H 4100 XPC electric rope shovel does not simply move earth. It functions as a continuous mining system that forms the unbreakable backbone of the largest surface operations on the planet. Watching it in action feels unlike anything else on a mining site, stretching across the landscape like a moving industrial fortress that sustains millions of tons of production annually. This machine represents decades of engineering evolution, standing proudly as one of the most ambitious industrial machines ever created by human ingenuity to power modern global industries. For more real-world heavy equipment, mining technology, and industrial giants, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for our next engineering adventure.